Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. Now today I have a massive announcement. Almost 25 years ago, my mum and dad founded the Bodycentre. After all these years of hard work and determination and commitment, we have finally made the decision to relocate our business. Now thankfully, it's not too far away from our original units. We're just down the other end of the car park. As you can imagine, an enormous amount of hard work is being put in behind the scenes, led by one of our directors, Lewis, and we simply cannot wait to show you guys what we've created. We've invested an awful lot amount of money into new tooling, equipment, and one of the main features are some brand new, top of the range spray ovens. We would also like to thank all our customers who have supported us over the years to enable us to create this amazing dream. I would also like to thank every single team member, past and present, for all the hard work they've put in to make this dream happen. Thank you guys for watching. Please share this video on all our social media pages and keep updated on all the cool videos we've got coming out soon. Thanks guys.